Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Before you change any light switch, stop and make safety your first action. Turn off the circuit breaker for the fixture at the main panel for the correct 120V circuit. Lock the panel or tag it if others may access it. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm power is off at the switch terminals and screws. Wear safety glasses and insulated gloves for additional protection. Gather tools now: flat and Phillips screwdrivers, needle nose pliers, a wire stripper, a voltage tester, and your replacement switch. With power confirmed off, remove the faceplate and unscrew the switch from the wall box. Carefully pull the switch forward to expose all connected conductors and identification tags. Label each conductor with tape and a marker, and take a clear photo to preserve the wiring order. Inspect wire sizes and conditions, noting 14-gauge conductors and the ground wire. Loosen terminal screws or release push-in wires to disconnect the old switch. Cap any exposed wires temporarily if you must leave the box open. Start the swap by matching each labeled conductor to the new switch terminals. Attach the hot conductor to the common terminal and connect traveler wires when replacing a 3-way switch. Ensure the ground is firmly attached to the green grounding screw and bond to the box if required. Tighten all terminal screws snugly and give each wire a gentle tug to verify retention. Carefully fold wires back into the box and mount the switch. Restore power at the breaker and test switch function, confirming each light operates as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.